here's also the seasons. The sun goes around like this. And we have an ancient document which is not in the Bible. It's called the Book of Enoch. And it talks about the gates of the sun. So the sun moves around this gate, then it goes into the equator.
The equator, yep.
Then it goes into Capricorn.
Capricorn, yeah. Cancer, equator, Capricorn.
Yep.
It's called the analemma. During the summertime, the sun is high up and it moves small. During the wintertime, it's low and it moves wide. Because it has to. It moves wide during the wintertime because it has to go around the southern
The same time period.
Summer.
Longer distance, same time period, it goes faster. People in Australia will tell you, you can watch the sun go across and it sets really quick. They don't teach us that in school, do they?
Nope, they lie.
Why are they not? They're not telling us the truth.
You're a divine entity. They want you programmed under control. You can heal yourself, but they want you to get there's no cure. They want you to go get treatment at Western medicine.
The reason you're depressed is because people are lying to you, not because you're wrong. There's something wrong with you.
And of course, greed is backed up by the whole thing, and blood, greed, money.
The other possibility for gravity, I believe it's diamagnetism.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there's a force field that looks like a donut with the hole in the middle.
Torus field. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So electricity comes up out of the North Pole, and it excites the elements in the air. You ever see a neon sign? Let me see. We probably got 1 million of them right over there. That's blue is neon. So electricity runs through these elements and you get the aurora borealis.
Yeah.
Then it keeps going up and around the dome. Then it goes through the sun, which I believe is a filament. And it just is like a light bulb kind of thing. Yeah. It freely flows through the sun, which is a positive. Then it goes through the moon, which is a negative. Okay?
Yep.
And then it goes down the dome through Antarctica. After that, I don't know. I've never been there.
Around the edge.
Yep.
So it's south, but it's out.
Yeah.
The word out is south, and in is the North Pole.
So instead of saying below, we should say beyond.
Yeah.
So NASA is another word. It's a Hebrew word. It means to deceive. That's what NASA means. And when they're outside doing a spacewalk, they're in the pool. We have videos with bubbles in space. An air bubble goes up the helmet. Here, you can look up this stuff at home.
I got it right one thing.
You got one?
Okay, definitely. Look into it.
So, when they're inside, they're using either the vomit comet or harnesses and wires. And we have videos of all that stuff. So, I think that's pretty much. Why are they doing it? If you look at, you got one of these? The thing I underlined there, there's no difference between being uneducated or being educated with lies. You still don't know anything. So it's only when we're in truth, that's when we're strong and know something. And we can oppose those who want to control us. That's what they don't want.
Think for yourself.
Huh?
Think for yourself.
Think for yourself.
Use your senses.
Yep. How's that? Was that a good speech?
It's a lot of what I researched before, but
Good.
you know, it's just kind of, we just never really know. So, I don't know.
So you're from what area?
I'm from Virginia, but I'm trying to move here actually.
Oh, you saw the promo and just stopped in, or you just going to be
I'm
up?
in the meetup group.
Oh, okay.
Meetup group.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you came from Virginia.
Well, I'm from Virginia originally. I'm kind of
Oh, okay.
Where does your meetup
okay,
group
transitioned to New
meet?
York, okay.
There isn't a bottom.
Oh, you're looking for a meetup group.
No, there's not any. There's no meetup group in Virginia. So
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay, good. Well, I'm trying to get all these guys to exchange their information and start a meetup group for New York.
Yeah.
That's what I really want to happen here.
Okay.
So you gotta, anybody who's talking flat Earth, get their info.
There's a couple meetup groups.
Did you get one of these, sir? Excuse me? Did you get one of these?
I'm really not interested.
All right. Oh, I would never eat there. Don't eat at McDonald's. It'll kill you.
I'm not gonna eat there. It's a restaurant.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
You want to eat there?
Oh, no, I'm good. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Ah, do you know why you think your sun sets? Get your nose about this level, so get down a little bit. No, you can back up.
Okay.
Now, watch the sun. Did it go down? There's moisture in the atmosphere. That's why you think it goes down. It magnifies it and it makes it look like it goes down. But if you watch this video right here, which is the time lapse, it's over a dry area, and you'll see it get smaller and smaller and go away.
Sun goes away?
Yes,
Wouldn't
it goes
it get
away.
colder then?
Huh?
Wouldn't it get colder then?
No, it goes around.
No, like here.
It goes.
On the
Well,
earth.
it depends on what season it is. I can explain it to you if you're interested. See, I don't go for mockers though, so you're gonna have to just move along.
Okay.
Good. You're getting street positive.
We are hitting a lot of people. Hey, watch that.
The sun doesn't mean. Oh wait, no. The water. Yeah, I got your water.
He's taking care of you. Hey, that newsstand right there has a lot of good stuff.
Dude, I have blueberries and strawberries, and nuts, and
Good.
chocolate bar. I brought extras. If anybody wants to go.
Good.
They're organic, all of them too, except
Good.
for the chocolate. No, I can't put the Oh man, this sucks. I didn't do anything. I didn't put anything up in here.
It's the way it is. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, man, go. That's fine.
Just don't eat anything there.
No, I know, right? Yeah. Please.
Here, I have all that information on here. You can go home and look at the videos up at the bottom.
Okay, cool.
It's really true. I've been studying it 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll look it up.
Okay. Do you want to hand out cards?
Yeah.
Just look. Anybody who's looking in this direction, just give them. Yeah, it's flat. Go look at the scientific evidence. You look like a smart guy. Here, I have all the videos on here. You can look it up at home. It's true. Check out the flat earth display. You can look this up at home. It's true. Don't be funny. Flat earth evidence. You can look up at home. Look it up at home. Flat earth evidence. Flat earth evidence, you can look it up at home. Do you ever hear about it, flat earth? Look over there, science. Flat earth evidence, you can look it up.
Earth is not flat.
It is. How dare you? Flat earth evidence. Hey, put mommy in there.
I would love to.
Can you upload those to YouTube? Yeah, your camera? No? Flat earth evidence. Flat earth evidence. Here, look this up at home. Flat Earth.
Ahora se supone que esto es una bola que está dando vueltas aquí y
Flat Earth evidence.
no busca información, no pierde nada con buscar información.
Flat Earth evidence you can look up at home.
Hay muchos videos en Brasil también, hay no me recuerdo el nombre, pero hay uno que tiene, hay mucha información también en Brasil. Gracias.
I'll just give you a handshake. So what are you selling here today? Explain some of this.
Yeah, you want to explain that?
Yeah.
Because I never heard of you before.
No.
How are you?
Good. I
to
walked
see you.
right by here. I did like the whole loop, but it's nice. It's a hot day. It's nice.
It's very nice.
Got a lot of people. Is
Yeah,
she a
there's-
naked girl down there?
No,
She's
but
like wearing like nothing, just by the naked cowboy.
yeah, I'm surprised
Is
you
she
came
allowed
up here
to
after
be-
seeing that.
Yeah, well, she's giving out a million erections. Like, you just can't hang around that long. Dave filled me in on some of the other people here.
Anna, thanks for telling me.
Oh, it's a small little square here.
This is awesome. We have so many people coming in for this. It's awesome.
It's good to hear. Did you plan anything, or just kind of like find a parking lot and?
Yeah, we're right down the street.
Okay, cool.
Half a block.
It's so fast to get here. Like I'm Sunday morning, no traffic. It's like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Hour and a half.
I drive fast.
Maybe you're way out. You're an hour and a half just to get to the New Jersey line.
Well, like I was already kind of there, like the Poconos. Anyway, it wasn't that long. Whenever I texted you, I was.
He drives fast.
You have to.
Yeah.
So went to the Lincoln Tunnel, right?
Yep.
And kind of like when we go in, I want to look at like Google Earth, maybe like a few feet before you go down in. It looked like it said flat Earth, like big. If it said something.
It maybe did.
Flat.
Here, you can look it up at home. All this information. Do you want one too? I'll stick it in here.
About what this is?
Oh, that I don't know. That looks like a front of a ship. You have to go in front of that thing.
I
and
know,
look.
but
I don't know.
is it from a show? Well,
I don't know.
Exactly. This is it.
It's so big. Is anyone even looking at the
What?
advertisements?
Not when we're here.
They're on for like 2 seconds and then they're gone.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So do you have any other plans? You doing lunch? Or
Well,
anything?
I think, we'll be here. I don't even know what time it is, but we'll be here
It's
as
about
long as
12:30.
we'll be here a couple hours, and then
Yeah, I'm good for an hour.
see any security risks or?
No, I haven't been here in years, like to this spot.
It's fun.
But
So many people came in for this.
now give me a number, like how
Flat
many?
Earthers. I would say a dozen.
Okay, nice. Yeah, if you had promoted a little more, like that thing with the Globries and Flat Earth, what was the one? Like
Yeah, versus Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. I don't
your
know.
Facebook thing. I don't think Globries are gonna like really go out of their way.
They are merciless on that page, though.
Yeah, but they don't have the.
They're cowards.
I don't think they would come out just to be disruptive. Like it takes a lot of energy to.
Yeah, I think they're cowards.
Yeah.
See the guy over here with the blow up Earth?
Yeah.
He's a chiropractor.
Yeah, Space Dave kind of.
Oh, he flew you in.
Yeah, I think some more will show up.
It's awesome.
There is like the concrete, I guess, bumpers on the corners, like to prevent truck attacks. So that's a newer thing.
Bollards.
Yeah, I mean they're huge. They're like you saw them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, do your thing. Wrangle up some stuff. I'm gonna sit
Thank
back and watch.
you. Yeah, I'm going to have her braid my hair. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Whoops.
que somos insignificantes y que salimos del mono. Yo no soy mono, tú tampoco eres mono, ¿verdad que no?
Pero-
Yo soy. ¿Y quién vio un mono convertirse en hombre? ¿Quién lo vio? ¿Quién lo vio? Ese es el pensamiento de alguien. Sí, pero ¿quién lo
Tú
vio?
viste a Dios No, pero lo siento.
La historia lo habla.
Pero-
La Biblia lo dice.
Sí, pero ¿dónde? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde? Porque no hemos visto otro mono
Nos
convertirse
debemos
en hombre.
presentar a hablar y tomarnos un trago.
No, la pregunta es por qué no seguimos entonces evolucionando, por qué no recambiamos.
No hay no hay ninguna especie que no se ha visto.
Todos nos quedamos aquí.
El perro siempre ha sido perro, la vaca siempre ha sido vaca y el hombre siempre ha sido hombre. Nunca nadie ha visto evolución, nunca se ha visto. Dios los bendiga.
Puedo creer que sí. Bueno, pero tenemos que sentarnos.
Yeah, we are international. Do you know how to braid hair?
Yes,
Can you braid my ponytail?
yes,
Thank you. I have a scrunchie here.
Okay.
Oh, hold that stuff.
yes.
And then you, thank you.
Hey, have you talked to anybody yet? Have you convinced anyone? I don't know. Have you convinced anyone? A customer? Yeah, have you talked to convinced anyone?
Not yet. Not today. Learn about alternate cosmology.
Hey, this is what we really do at Flat Earth. Braid hair. I really like your skirt. I like your skirt. I like your skirt. Love that. Did you put the thing on the bottom? Thank you so much. Here, you want a few more of these?
Yes.
Okay. That's awesome. You speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Now you can reach that group.
Yes.
Good.
I can be exactly the
Do you want to hold this or anything?
Yes, yes.
Flat Earth display today. I was doing this. I hold it here.
Okay.
And then you can put your cards right there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can do it. Hey. Here, put your nose about this level. There's moisture in the atmosphere. Now tell me when it goes away.
No.
Yeah, it goes away. It sets. The sun sets. It goes down. Yeah, because there's moisture in the atmosphere. It really is going on straight away. It's going straight on the flat plane. But it looks like it goes down. It doesn't.
Because the Earth is
No, the Earth is no, the Earth is flat, honey.
The Earth is not flat.
Yes, it is. Look at this. We have 200 proofs right here, and we can walk you through this and tell you why. And then you have to investigate it on your own. But this is one reason. We got 200 other reasons.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Did you ever hear of the flat Earth? You can research this at home and teach your children the truth, because lying to children is child abuse, in my view. So yeah, here, did you get your 2 families? You can have one too? Yeah. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Anybody talk to this guy? Hi there.
Don't bother.
Oh, because you're a Glober?
No, because I don't care if it's flat, round, or square. I
But
care
the-
about Jesus Christ.
the
That
Bible-
people are going to hell.
Okay.
I don't care if it's square, with all due respect. I don't care. I was talking to that guy. If it's triangle, square, flat, round, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, there's
It
a
could be
verse.
flat. No one can say for 100% sure. You
Well,
think you can,
okay.
but you can't. I can, but
So
I
let
can't.
me tell you, I'm a
can't.
born-again Christian.
Are you?
Yes, I
so
am.
why, instead of doing that, I don't talk people about Jesus?
I am.
No, you talk about earth is flat. It doesn't matter.
It does. You know
Doesn't
why?
matter at all.
Because this cannot be a random event.
Listen,
No, no.
Jesus is coming back.
I heard you. I
If
heard
it's
you.
flat or not, people are going to hell. So it doesn't matter to me.
It does matter because
For me, it doesn't.
this
It
has
will
to,
never matter.
It has to be created. They're teaching us that we don't matter, that we are evolution. Do you believe in evolution?
Of course not. I'm a Christian.
That's right. Then how can you believe in a spinning ball, which is a random act, a Big Bang?
Random. Why are you talking about random?
Big Bang. That's how the ball was
I know.
created. That's random. We have a creator,
I know.
and the
I'm
creator,
a Christian.
the creator
You
created
understand the word?
Earth.
So why are you telling me that? You're preaching to the choir. I'm a Christian.
Because you
You
say it
understand
doesn't
that?
matter. The creation doesn't matter.
People go to hell. You care about flat or round?
But the creation,
Please,
the
be born
creation
again. You
matters.
need to be born again.
I
You're
am.
not born again yet now. If you were, you'd spend your time
Yes, I
talking
am.
about Jesus.
Jesus is truth. We
You're
are
the truth.
supposed to live in spirit and truth.
Yes.
Are you living in truth?
What do you think I'm doing here?
If you're living in truth,
What do you
then,
think I'm doing
then
here?
you have to seek truth everywhere you go.
Listen,
That's why I do
that
this.
for me is a dead issue.
That's
Dead.
why I do this.
It doesn't matter.
The Creator
Listen, you're wasting
needs
your
us.
time. You're wasting your time.
Okay, God bless
All due
you though.
respect, all
God
due
bless
respect.
you though.
God bless you.
Flat Earth evidence. Flat Earth. Did you ever look into this?
No, thank you.
The flat Earth. You can look it up at home, and nobody will know. Okay. She knows. She good, smart. Do you guys ever hear about this? Flat Earth? We have to find out what language. The Flat Earth?
How'd you make out with the sinning guy?
I told him to live in spirit and truth. And if it's truth, then he should be seeking it everywhere. That's what the Christians miss. The Flat Earth, you want to look this up?
Thank you.
Learn about the alternative cosmology.
How you making out? You want some more?
Nice.
Yeah, some more. When we run out of papers, then we'll go. I'll go have lunch.
How long you'll be staying here?
Till we run out of papers. I don't know.
I'm actually here till evening. Unless if you don't have a curfew, I can come back at night. If you're staying long.
I thought we'd stay like midday, but I don't know. Whatever anybody else wants to do, that's fine. Flat Earth? Flat Earth?
Have you told them like how like, the star trails work? The basic teachings of the firm of physics.
Yeah.
Stars move east to west, but slightly faster than the sun because every night you'll see the same stars. But over the seasons, you have to slowly change to a different constellation because the stars in the firmament have to go slightly faster than the sun, but it's moving along with it. That's how it works. That's why they keep saying that. Why do you see different constellations? It's due to that.
And the seasons, like the Big Dipper's at one side, then over here.
Yeah. You see now like the summer constellations. You see the two brightest stars, Vega and Arcturus right now. You see Arcturus a little bit on the west. You see Vega on Arcturus being the brightest star. Vega is the second brightest star, and Altair's is like southeast of Vega. The three star systems, and then you see the Deneb star system, northeast, then you see Polaris. those are the summer the summer constellations on the northern sky that rotate east to west. And then over around the winter time, you'll see. Right now, you can see like all the planets or the wandering stars. When the sun goes away, you'll see Venus, you'll see Jupiter, you'll see Saturn, and then you'll see Mars. Those from the sun, and you'll see the northern constellation, northern sky. And then later on, when the winter comes, you'll see like the Betelgeuse and the Sirius, the stars rise up from there because the.
What do you think about the Southern Cross?
The Southern Cross?
They say that's kind of like the Polaris of the South, but I know it's not.
Oh yeah, one guy, I think his name is Mike, he said he's going to Antarctica.
Yeah.
In Antarctica doing
that guy, the big guy.
Yeah. He's in our brand.
Yeah, I know.
He was in our meetup in New York.
Oh.
There's actually the one that hosts the meetup is named Alex and Bahrain. It's a girl named Bahrain and a guy named Alex. But I don't think they showed up. They didn't. But we met them in around April or like twice, like April and February. February like the first
I want to have a meeting every month because you have to get into a regular.
We have the conversation in our meetup group, the meetup.com. Flat Earth. We usually have the conversation, and Bahrain they plan the meeting which they want to meet.
Okay.
So we usually hang out in Brooklyn, someplace in Brooklyn. Usually right now it's Brooklyn.
Well, you met some other New Yorkers here. You ought to make sure that they get connected and go to those
I told them
meetups.
to join our meetup.
Oh, look, there's the guy with the underwear.
Oh,
the underwear guitar guy. Did you see him? Way over there, playing a guitar in his underwear. Flat Earth information you can look up yourself.
Okay. Over here.
Flat Earth information.
I have too much here to face history of Flat Earth. Check that out. There's a lot of misinformation there. I heard you talking.
You ought to say it in Spanish.
No, I'm talking a lot in Spanish also, yes.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
What do they call that? Plana?
La tierra es plana.
Es plana.
Plana, yeah. That's how I knew it in Spanish for a YouTube video.
Oh, good.
Yes, in Spanish. There's Iru Landucci. And
yeah.
You know Iru Landucci?
I saw him at the conference.
Oh, wow, nice. So I said, wow. And it's another one in Spanish also that gave 20 verse of the Bible. And I said, wait a minute. And that's what I started. And now it's again. Yeah. That's how I started.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Here, you can look it up yourself.
I'm good.
It's Flat Earth.
I'm good.
Right there.
That naked cowboy turned me down.
Wow.
No.
We'll stick with Santa Claus. Here, where's the girl? What's that girl's name?
I thought you were the two guys.
I think those guys are Hispanic. Go talk Spanish to them. See them right here? They're hanging around. Habla español? No? Okay. Sorry.
I haven't seen your contraption.
Oh, come here.
Yeah, I want to see it.
No, that's for the
Put your nose about this level.
I heard your whole thing.
Oh, okay. You don't have to be right on it. Now watch. Does it set? Yeah. Because of moisture.
I just want to know how you made it.
Yeah, you can show anybody. Well, this is a Rob Skiba and video, and I just made this all up and put it on top of my level.
Like a plexiglass.
Yeah, that's just you get it at Staples. It's just a sheet magnifier. Cool.
Awesome to meet you.
Are you heading out?
No, I'm
Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, this is good.
For the days consigned.
Yeah, and guess what?
Here, you can look this up yourself.
How about miles? And I think you don't
You can look it up yourself. Flat Earth. It's some real science. Real science. Huh? Yeah, well, there's a couple of people here who really know what they're doing.
Oh, the Mickelson Morley study?
Yes, I do.
Okay, the Mickelson Morley study.
La superficie es plana. Entonces el reflejo en una curva. Si fuera curva, el reflejo
That's
sería
why things like tides happen. That's why things like sunsets happen. That's why things like horizons exist. You know,
Yes.
really didn't see the sky.
We have somebody who speaks Spanish. Where is she? Ah, right there. Here. Excuse me. Habla español. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Woohoo! Woohoo! This girl, she speaks Spanish. So anytime I hear Spanish, I say, "Hey, girl, come here."
Hispana?
Yeah, she talks Spanish. And look, they were like all smiles to run into her. It was great.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, so because I couldn't really communicate with them.
right. And they're actually listening and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that's rare thing. Same with all
Yeah.
She worked all night until 8 o'clock in the morning. It was an overnight shift. And they came out here.
She's awesome.
Yeah, 12 to 8. That's
awesome.
crazy. I'm so ready for all my stuff to get stolen and everything. I don't know how much longer I'm going to last here, man. This is going nowhere.
Well, you're not getting much. Switch banners.
Yeah.
Do something different.
All right, yeah, that's a good idea. I'll
Yeah.
switch my banner.
The flat Earth. The Earth is flat. Imagine that.
It's just not over there.
Oh, sorry. You can look it up at home. I can answer any of your questions.
Thank you very much.
Did you ever look into this before?
Yes, I actually have.
Oh, good.
I
You
watched
from
some
New York?
videos. Not enough to have them.
Well, this one here, the 200 proofs, that'll get you started. Then you have to study some things you don't understand because they don't teach us things in school like
No,
this.
they don't teach us anything in school.
Here, come over here. Look at this. Excuse me. So the perspective, that's something you have to study because it teaches you how your eyes work at a distance. Yeah. Take that home and look it up. That's good. Okay. So there's a curvature formula. If you know that, you can go anywhere and test it. Okay? And I make that up by this Pythagorean theorem based on a 24,901 equator. Okay? So it's factual, it's science, and they're not telling us. And it makes me mad. Lying to kids is child abuse.
They don't tell us anything.
Yeah, you know why? It's
Can't
right on
control
there.
people who know things.
Yes, exactly right. I wrote it right there.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's true.
the kings didn't let the serfs read.
Of course not. They want dumb people.
It's true.
And
But if
divided
you want to
people.
get a high-paying job, don't tell them you know it.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Dumb people.
He's smarter
are
than them.
divided people.
Yeah. I'm glad you stopped by.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. You get one of those? You can take it home. You can look it up. Well, there's information, but the videos down at the bottom is, you'll see all this information there.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, and this is the flat Earth, and it's all scientific. Do you want me to give you 30 seconds?
Not really. I wrote a paper in college that proves the Earth is a pyramid. So.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you put any evidence to it?
Well, that's just it. You pick and choose. And then you can spin doctor any evidence. Just like they spin it to be round, you spin it to be flat. Somebody can spin it to be another way. At that point, at the bigger scheme of things, does it affect my paycheck? No, not really. So,
well, wait, I want to talk to you though. So, don't you have to have evidence though? I mean, that's the whole thing.
Well, that's it. I mean,
we have evidence.
I've used some of that. I've used the Coriolis effect. At that point, yeah.
That's all bunk.
Yeah. Yes, I mean the shape.
Well, come here, the formula. Come here. See, there's a formula for curvature based on 24,901 equator. So we can go and demonstrate and investigate that and find evidence. See, when we're taking these banners down to Ocean City, we can see 20 miles south to Wildwood Water Towers, and we can see all the way to the bottom. Over 20 miles, you should not be able to see that.
What's the weather conditions? Don't forget the heat effect on the sun's refraction.
Right, on a clear day.
Yeah, that's the point though. Clear day, sun, you're going to heat layer, that acts as a prism. You're going to talk facts, we also talked about that too. You got to account for everything. I wish you guys luck. Earth is a pyramid! Earth is a pyramid!
Flat Earth facts, you can look it up. Flat Earth, you can look it up yourself. Flat Earth, you can look it up. You think it's funny? Flat Earth evidence, you can look up yourself. Flat Earth evidence, you can look yourself.
Unless you guys want to go in there now.
Do you have any questions? I can answer them. Correct.
What are you doing? Just staying still?
Yeah, it's like a pizza.
It's flat.
It's flat.
It's not going to be flat if ships go around.
There's a dome over it.
A dome with a dome.
Yeah. A dome, a crystalline dome, which holds back the waters.
Okay.
That's ancient writings say that.
So the land is flat.
The land is flat.
When they go from let's say, from New York to halfway around the world.
So where's New York here? I guess right here.
Now, New York will be on the east coast here, somewhere here.
Yeah, this is Mexico.
Oh, that's Mexico. Okay, yeah.
There's the Florida. There's New York.
Right. Okay.
South America is really farther east than the globe. Did you know that? And did you also know that the sun moves faster when it's in the south, the outer rim.
So the sun is moving, but the Earth is not.
Correct, correct. And the stars move, and the moon moves. We are stationary and flat.
Where would you get this information from?
Come here, over here. Now, look at this. Wait, one before you go. This is what they want us to believe. That's their thing. The globe is moving through the universe, you know, behind the sun, and all the planets are swirling, and it's through the Milky Way, and that's moving, right? Come here. Then how do we get that? That's star trails. Polaris is in the middle. And you hold the camera open, and it just gets a circle. That's what happens. Polaris has been there for millions of years, or whatever number you want to choose.
Does this come from the camera's picture, or is this something?
No, this comes from this video, 200 proofs.
200 proofs, okay.
And then you can watch the other videos at home. You can watch it, and then if you have questions, you can look us up on the web.
Okay, I was just wondering where you get this from. So like nowadays they're going, for example, to the sun. I see on the news.
Oh.
You closely look at the sun.
I heard that this morning.
Yeah, what's that about?
It's bullshit.
It's bullshit. Okay.
So, you know, if it's a sphere, there has to be a formula for how far out and how far down to drop.
Right.
This is the formula.
So what do you believe? Do you believe that the man that really went to the moon, or bullshit? Bullshit. Yeah, I always thought it was bullshit too, but I never had it.
See, you can see through the moon. Did you know that?
No, I know. Yeah, well,
when it's like a half moon, the other side ought to be black. It's blue. In the daytime, you can look right through it. It's translucent. I think it's like a filament.
Okay.
Because there's free-flowing electricity up there.
Yeah,
Did you know that?
The reason why I was a little bit not certain about having gone to the moon, because when he came back, he had a bunch of rocks. He could have got from Arizona anywhere.
That's right.
So I mean, what's the rocks, you know?
Petrified.
And they were wearing the same uniforms as they were doing 50 years before in science fiction movies. I mean, everything didn't make sense.
Hollywood and NASA are the same thing.
Well, thank you. I'll look at this.
Yeah, thank you for stopping.
Yeah, sure.
The interesting thing, though, is like why you can hear that.
Hey,
you want to know.
You gotta watch this guy.
Yeah. A lot of people don't want
I
it.
found some of your litter on the ground there.
Did you? That's all right.
Somebody threw it away.
That's okay.
It's an interesting journey, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely know what you're doing.
How are you guys doing? Did you get one of these?
Oh, no, I
It has all the videos at the bottom. You can look it up at home.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll check it out.
Good job. Thanks for being inquisitive. Intelligent people ask questions.
With a friend, and he mentioned something about like satellites on the globe and something.
Yeah, we have a picture of satellites right there, and they never point up.
Yeah, but he was saying that, and so he has never researched the flat Earth before. But
Anybody who's educated in like geology or any of that, this Earth sciences, they will never research this.
Yeah, but he is
it's a threat to them.
Conspiracy theories like I am. So when I mentioned flat Earth, he was just like, "Oh, I don't know about that."
Yeah.
Like, the satellites around the globe, and I don't know. So what would you tell him?
The satellite dishes never point up.
Okay.
It's all a ground-based system. Occasionally they may put something up on a weather balloon just for a demonstration or to take a picture, but it's not floating in orbit. And I don't know, we have videos of satellites that have crashed. They have weather balloons attached to them.
Okay.
What's that? I just think it's all bunk. See, when I see a guy like this, here, that has the information right on there, you can look it up. You know, you can just contact me that way, or on one of these are my videos, and then make a comment, and I'll try and find a video that goes with it. Here, sir, you can look this up on your own. I hate when somebody looks at it, he's interested, I gotta give him some. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm so excited. I'm real excited. Look what they have underneath their... I don't know. What is that? Yeah, I know, but why do they wear the dress then? I mean, they're trying to make a statement, I guess. Oh my. I don't even know what time it is. Do you know?
Almost 1 o'clock.
Okay. I might last another hour or two at the most. And that's what I was hoping, just to get out here and bring people together. Did you get one of those that has the videos on it? Flat Earth! Here, you can look it up at home. Nobody will see. Videos are on there. It's real. It's absolutely real.